Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to show you how you can turn your mater into Sesame Street's Mr. Snuffleupagus. The first thing that you'll need to do is grab some brown Play-Doh and roll out enough to cover the sides and the hood of Mater's truck. Use your fingers to make the Play-Doh even on both sides and then pat it down to smooth it out. Grab another little piece of brown Play-Doh, roll it into a ball, and use that to shape Mr. Snuffleupagus's head. Next, you'll take a little piece of pink Play-Doh, roll that out, and shape that into a mouth for Mr. Snuffleupagus. Mr. Snuffleupagus has a really long trunk. To form that, you'll take another piece of brown Play-Doh, roll that out into a long tube, and attach that to the front of his mouth. To make Mr. Snuffleupagus look furry, take the tines of a fork and use them to rough up the Play-Doh. Mr. Snuffleupagus has really long eyelashes. To create those, take a piece of black Play-Doh, roll it out very thin, and then attach the eyelashes above his eyes. And there you have it! Mater is Mr. Snuffleupagus. For more Play-Doh and Cars 2 fun, click on one of the pictures at the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!